What am I going to do now? You see this? My very good one-seater armchairs that nobody wants on eBay. It's been on there for 6 months. Nobody wants it. Well, someone wants it, but they're not having it. And it's got 4 legs, and it's a mouse. The mouse has been in it again, in the corner, eating my best favorite pink fabric, and pissing in the corner as well. So it stinks of mouse now. So I've not caught the mouse. I think it stayed outside because I saw it one evening. And then I blocked the holes from which it came in. In the meantime, I've got this, and what I'm going to do is vacuum it in detail, and then I'm going to take the base off. Maybe, if I manage. So I'm going to use this tool as well as the crevice tool. I am going to attempt to remove the base. So for that I will need the portable screwdriver, and I will also take this one onto its back, because why do we don't need to work with difficulty with it on our side, it's its side. Do we? Very skilled job, isn't it? And while I had that there, I wonder if I could make holes in my steamer new head. Let's have a look. These may not be the right ones. Oh no, that's good. That's good. It seems to me to be good. They're fat screws, those. Let's try it. Oh. So fast. Are we on hammer? No, we're on 2. And I don't think I'm on hammer, am I? No. Wow, giant screws. Well, giant, quite long. I'm going to use those. What's going on? It was at an angle. It still is at an angle, this. Now, I wonder what Tina would think of that. It is definitely... If I go really slowly, it may not jump out. Yeah, it still does eventually. What's happening? That's very badly placed. It's not bent. It's a bit damaged inside now. A bit eaten. This one is straight. Nice, easy one. Another bent one. I wonder where this was made. I'm surprised it would be made like this in China. Only because they would take more care, they'd be whipped to death, wouldn't they, if they like put the screws this wrong way. Don't think they're that nasty, the employers? Or buried in the ground or something. Some cultures, they don't respect the human being very much. This one is bent. Where is it then? Where's your head? I think I'm making holes into it. I need a chisel to chisel some of the wood off. I haven't got one of those. I don't know what Tina would do about that one. Other than getting a chisel. Or doing it by hand. It's finding the right angle for the screw. This one is probably like angled like this, but oh, it's raising the whole thing. It's buried in the wood. It's raising the seat. Badly finished in there. How they've damaged this wood? It's coming. That's exciting, I've not seen that before. So maybe I could do the same with this one and get it out. Chickens. It's getting dark. Well, hooray! Voila, and voila! Nice! Some nice planks of wood. What could I do with that? Nothing much as it is, other than a table. A roof for something. What does Tina think?
Shelves.
Yeah? very well. And now this one, how heavy is it? Can it be carried out? So we have a look at what's inside. I can smell mouse urine. Smells bad. Oh. We've got springs in here. So there's a bit of frame, some plywood in there, some foam, some cardboard. That's it. Now it's pissing down to go and shut the chickens, isn't it? Never mind, let's go and shut the chickens. That's it.